Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look right here using the Colourpop on Cloud Blue eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I created this look and get some swatches of this little palette, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's a close-up of the palette. It's a very beautiful color story, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys, but it's just a stunning palette. Okay guys, here's a quick swatch of the palette. It swatches beautifully. Honestly, you get a nice mix of mattes and shimmers in this palette, and there is one pressed glitter. And now let's get into the tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White, and I'm just gonna use my finger to blend this all over my eyelids. Then I'm taking a Morphe M574 brush, which is a crease brush, and I'm going to dip into the color Bright Eyed. This is sort of a neutral tone blue. It's not as bright as the other colors, and I'm going to place this directly onto my crease, and then I'm going to wing it out. And this color, even though it seems not as bright and sort of neutral, is extremely pigmented, and I didn't even need to layer it a lot, which I love. So I'm just placing it on my crease, and I'm winging it out, as you can see. And then I'm taking a flat lid brush from Morphe. There's no number on the brush. It's just a flat lid brush. And my Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 270N. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So the way that I cut my crease is I place some of that concealer onto my lid. And then I look up, and wherever that concealer lands on the top of my lid, that's where I'll be cutting it. And I'll be following that as a guide. And also following the natural curve of my eyelid to cut the rest of my crease. And I'm going to be doing a full cut crease today. So now I'm just going to take my time filling in that concealer and the spots that I'm missing concealer until everything is nice and even. Now I'm taking a pigment packer brush from MOTD. This is a flat lid brush, but it's more dense. And I'm going to dip into that beautiful shimmer Clear Skies. And this is sort of a baby blue mixed with silver shimmer. And it's just stunning. And I think it's the perfect contrast between what I have on my crease and my lid. So I'm going to place that all over my lid until it's nice and bright and even. Now I'm dipping into that shade Bright Eyed using my crease brush again. And I'm just going to reapply that a little bit on my crease to make sure that I don't lose the contrast that we had earlier. Then using that lid brush from earlier, I'm going to dip into Clear Skies again and just sort of wing out my shimmer so that we have a nice and pretty wing. Isn't that so pretty? Then I'm taking the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Gunmetal. And I'm going to go ahead and create a line right on the line between my crease and my lid. And this glitter is just going to give a really nice contrast between our lid and our crease, and it just looks stunning. So you're just following the line that you created when you cut your crease. For liner, I'm using the Maybelline New York Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner in the shade Pitch Black. And today I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to show you that I'm going to do my liner like I always do, except I won't wing it out because we created a wing with that shimmer. So I don't think we need to double wing. Then for a little contrast, I'm applying Urban Decay Glide on Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion to my waterline. And then I'm going to take the shade Blue Taffy and I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. And this is sort of a white mixed with blue shimmer and it's just stunning. Now, I totally forgot to apply something underneath my lower lash line. So after my lashes and everything else, I dipped into that beautiful sort of light royal blue color Love Poem. And using a very small brush, I'm going to sort of tap it underneath my lower lash line. And then, of course, I'm going to have to go ahead and reapply mascara. But I think this was a really nice contrast to the look because this blue is darker than the one on top. And I just really love the way that it looks. Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. What do you guys think? I actually love how this palette performed. I'm glad that I went with the glitter liner just because I think it added a little bit of dimension that I really enjoy in eyeshadow looks, especially such a light eyeshadow look. So I think it's a really pretty look and the eyeshadow palette performed really nicely. I enjoyed the formula. But that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.